between Mr. Charles's stipulations as to the factual basis as combined with Mr. Bentley's request to enter guilty pleas, that there's enough for me to take these pleas. I find that Mr. Bentley is knowingly, voluntarily, and intelligently waiving his rights. I don't even know what I just clicked on, but fine. And I was trying to turn on the live stream. All right, so Mr. Bentley, any questions about anything?
No, sir.
Mr. Charles, anything you wish to add?
No, sir.
All right. Mr. Bentley, the sentence of the court then is as follows. On 24 SR 0632, count 1, theft by deception, I'm finding you guilty. It's 12 months probation. $590 is your fine. You may work your fine off with community service work. No alcohol, illegal drugs, or hemp products should be tested for those. Fourth Amendment waiver, $60 per month supervision fee, $50 intake fee, $100 in restitution to Spalding County to offset the cost of your attorney, $400 in restitution to Tamara Berry. You'll actually pay it to the clerk of court directly as a one-time payment within 180 days of today. You'll also pay an additional $60 in restitution to the clerk of court on behalf of Sam's Pawn Shop. You'll also complete 20 hours of community service work. All right, moving on to 24 SR 633, theft by receiving, guilty, 12 months, $590. Same conditions, same general conditions. 24 SR is consecutive. 24 SR 0632, public defender restitution of $100. This case may go to non-report the moment you have satisfied your obligations to the court. All right, you have 30 days from today if you wish to appeal this decision. You have 12 months from today if you want to use your habeas rights.
Yes,
Do you
sir.
have any questions for me, Mr. Bentley, before we part ways?
No, sir.
Mr. Charles, anything else?
Yes, you want to bench one right issue on July 28th, 2025, and I'm asking the court to set the bench one aside.
Okay, and that is granted. So, all right, then if you will please, should we have him have a seat out in the hallway?
Yes, if I can-
All right, I'm going to have the bailiffs walk you out to those double doors and have you meet with the sentence enforcement team. So, you got Dwayne. You're very welcome. All right. Overby. Yeah. Overby, is that you?
Yes, sir.
All right, if you'll step forward, grab that mic, and get it to where you want it to go. Raise your, yeah, he's right there. All right, if you'll raise your right hand, do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give in this matter will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
So help me God. Yes, sir.
All right, take your hand down, state your full name for me.
Kenneth Stephen Overby.
Mr. Overby, you're here on 22 SR 0962. You're here with your attorney, Mr. Charles, from the Public Defender's Office. Am I correct that you wish to enter a plea and close this case?
Yes, sir.
All right, and this will also resolve your bench warrant. Mr. Overby, your attorney has passed up to me this attorney and defendant plea rights waiver. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you recognize it as a written version? I'm sorry, do you recognize your initials next to each of the lines on page 1?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, page 2?
Yes, sir.
Is that your signature?
Yes, sir.
All right, that's a yes. You understand that have you had all the time that you needed to review this document front to back?
Yes, sir.
Have you had a chance to ask your attorney any questions that you had?
Yes, sir.
And did you understand everything that's on this document?
Yes, sir.
And that's indicated by your initials and your signature. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, have you had all the time that you need to speak with Mr. Charles about all aspects of your case?
Yes, sir.
Are you satisfied with the job he's done on your behalf?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes, sir.
And that by entering this plea, there will be no trial. This case will be closed. Is that what you want to do? You want to close this case with this
yes, sir.
plea?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you understand that you're entering a guilty plea to a family violence charge?
Yes, sir.
And on the back of this, that's where you initialed saying you understand that by operation of law, you will lose your rights to carry a firearm and ammunition for the rest of your days. Do you understand that?
For the rest of my days, yes, sir.
Okay, because there's an error here where you mistakenly initialed that it wasn't a family violence charge, but it is. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Are you a United States citizen?
Yes, sir.
All right, so I'm gonna fix both of those. I'm initialing those. We're gonna keep going. All right, now, um, any questions for me about anything before I speak with your attorney?
Does this run concurrent with the probation? Can I get it transferred to the county I'm currently in?
You,
Yeah, he live.
Yes. Okay.
He's reporting in, where, Jasper City?
Yes. Yes, sir.
It's Jasper County? Oh, Jasper County.
Yes, sir.
how far is that from here?
Monticello, isn't it?
Yeah, that's a good hour and a half. I'm not against letting that happen after he's completed his obligations. What do you think? I mean, with that, a quick conversation with the prosecutor, defense attorney, and Director Matthews. What we're going to do is I'm going to check the box here that says that he may go to e-report upon completion of all terms.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Your
Okay.
Honor.
All right. Anything else, Mr. Overby?
No, sir.
Anything, Mr. Charles, do you stipulate that there's a factual basis to support this battery family violence charge from 7/31/20 here in Spalding County?
Yes, I do.
Mr. Overby, do you wish to enter a guilty plea to that battery family violence charge?
Yes, sir.
All right, I find that Mr. Overby's, between Mr. Charles's stipulations, the factual basis combined with Mr. Overby's request to enter a guilty plea, that there's enough for me to take this plea. I find that Mr. Overby is knowingly, voluntarily, and intelligently waiving his rights in entering this plea. I reviewed the recommendation, and after that brief conversation about the e-report, I will follow it as negotiated with that small change with the consent of all parties. Mr. Charles, anything you wish to add?
No, sir, thank you.
Mr. Overby, any questions?
No, Your Honor.
All right, Kenneth Overby on 22 SR 0962, count one, battery, family violence. I'm gonna find you guilty. It's 12 months probation, 590 is your fine. While you're on probation, you may work your fine off with community service work. No alcohol, illegal drugs, or hemp products should be tested for those. Fourth Amendment waiver, $60 per month supervision fee, $50 intake fee, $100 in restitution to Spalding County to offset the cost of your attorney. You may go to e-report, electronic report, once you've completed all terms of your probation, which include 20 hours of community service work. And then I've checked the box that says no access to firearms and ammunition, although it does say that's automatic with a family violence plea. And you're to have no contact whatsoever with, looks like Kellen Haas, Haas. All right, you have 30 days from today, Mr. Overby, if you wish to appeal this decision. You have 12 months from today if you wish to use your habeas rights. Any questions about anything, sir?
No, sir.
All right. I don't have an information sheet, but I assume that means that he's either filled it out back there. That's fine. So, all right, Mr. James is going to walk you out those double doors. Good luck to you, sir. Harry, I think that's it for you.
Yes, sir.
All right, so Bentley was a plea. Overby was a plea. PV was taken into custody. All right. Anthony was reset to to December.
December 4th, Judge.
December 4th, okay. All right. I think we're ready to hand it to you. Okay. All right, Director Matthews, please raise your right hand. You solemnly swear or affirm that all testimony you'll give in all matters will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do.
All right, I think we're at a good spot where I can hand the calendar off to Director Matthews to steer the remaining parts of it in. So, all right, Director Matthews, floor is yours.
Judge, I just have an update on Lindsay Corbett. She's here, Judge. It's a pro se motion She just asked that I announce to the court she would like to continue that to subpoena witnesses.
Okay. Ms. Corbett, where are you? Ms. Corbett, have you picked a date already?
It's her motion, Judge, so
That's
I
fine.
told her once she gets all of that resolved to go down to the clerk's office and refile.
Okay.
Yeah, she's asking for, it's a no contact on her sentence, and what I can tell, she's asking for that to be a no violent contact, which obviously we need to speak with the name, but obviously need to speak with the named victims on that.
Okay. All right. So procedurally, am I denying it and she's refiling it, or am I simply resetting it? 'Cause
I'm
if
fine
I-
with just resetting it. I
Okay.
don't see any point in making her.
Okay. So
refile
Susan,
something.
Thank
how long do you need, Ms. Corbett? Ballpark, guesstimate.
I guess 30 days.
Yeah, that's fine. So Susan, anything 30 days or greater
Is this your mother?
of your choosing.
My mother, my
Yeah,
sister,
Thursday.
and my two kids.
All right. So, and I'm going to put reset at defense request. Okay, so Ms. Corbett, so I'm going to reset. The clerk's going to pick a date, somewhere 30 plus days out. The bailiffs are going to have you sign that reset notice.
Okay.
And we'll hear this one way or the other at the next calendar.
Thank you so
And
much.
And I'm going to put on the form, we circle who's requested it, and I'm going to put that the defense requested this reset. Is that
All right.
correct?
Thank you. Yes.
Okay. Any questions from Ms. Corbett?
No, sir.
All right, then if you will, do y'all want her to wait out in the hallway or do you want her to wait in here? Okay, out in the hallway. So if you'll grab a seat in the hallway on the bench and just wait for the bailiffs, don't leave till they come see you.
Thank you so
All right,
much.
if you'll head back out the swinging doors there and we're good to go. All right, Corbett's reset.
We just reset Ms. Potts, right?
Yes, well, pled her not guilty, put her down for a jury trial in January. She was Monday's warrant. All right.
And Mr. Law said, if I could, I didn't realize Mr. Mortimer was here.
Mr. Moore, come on up.
Mr. Law said he is en route from Macon, will be here in 30, and that was about 10 minutes ago.
Okay. Let's see if we can do that. I mean, I just
Yeah,
feel.
we've got a couple things to do. So
Yeah.
we can get-
Mr. Mortar, your attorney's about 30 minutes out. We've got 30 minutes worth of work to do.
Yes, sir.
If you're okay with that.
Yeah, that's fine, because
Okay.
it's been like a month that I
know.
came every
You-
Thursday.
You have been a trooper, like, you get the gold star of showing up for court. So, all right, well, thanks for the
Yes, sir.
patience. And
No
like I
problem.
said, your attorneys are very good at what they do
Yes,
and
sir.
that they are in high demand. And frankly, I know this is counterintuitive, but just know that like a conflict, attorneys that have to file conflicts like yours do is a show of a very healthy practice.
Yes,
So,
sir.
and so I just want you to know that, we think the court works with your attorneys all the time. Once we get them here, it's going to be all right.
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you very much. You can grab a seat.
All right, thank you.
All right. What else?
Barnes.
You want to talk about yours?
Susan.
Barnes.
Did we bring him?
Yeah, I just spoke
Oh,
Okay.
oh, he's in jail. Okay. I missed that. All right. Y'all can bring him out. Just bring him over here and put him at the table with Ms. Miller.
Judge, while Ms. Miller and Mr. Barnes come up, my understanding is they're going to stipulate to the violations, and we're going to be arguing disposition on their sentence.
Okay.
Correct. I didn't turn that
You did not make that up. That is a factual, you're correct.
Okay.
I got it.
Okay. Ms. Miller, I'm glad we won the paper, rock, scissors game with whoever else was looking for you today. So,
I had a couple of different ones. I need that conflict speech that you gave to the other person.
Yes.
to
I say that a
all my
lot.
clients.
I say that a lot. So
I appreciate that.
conflicts are the mark of a healthy health. And frankly, that came from my dad because when I was in private practice and I just started getting to the point where I had to start filing conflicts, I told my dad how stressful that was. And he was like, no, that's the mark that your practice is doing great. Like the fact that you have multiple clients that want you in multiple places at the same time means that you're doing a great job and folks want to hire you. And I'm like, I like that a lot better than the way I was thinking about it. So, so I've got other advice from my dad, but it can't be shared in the courtroom. So, and frankly, it's not very good advice either. So, so, all right. Do you, are y'all ready to go forward?
Yes, Your Honor. We're stipulating to the violation. We just want to talk about sentencing and certainly a little bit of the history of this case, Your Honor.
Okay, well, perfect. Well, let's do this. Let me just get Director Matthews just to put a couple of odds and ends on the record, and then we'll jump in. So, Director Matthews, if you'll just give us a little bit of history, a little bit of contextual information on this, and then we'll jump in.
Yes, sir. Judge, on 24 SR 0217, Mr. Barnes was sentenced to probation on March 12th of 2025. That's a 24-month case. It's a criminal trespass and obstruction of a 911 call. The allegations are that he failed to avoid not having contact with Ms. Barbara Barnes on or about July 23rd of 2025, and that he failed to avoid violating the criminal laws of any governmental unit as ordered. The defendant committed the offense of criminal trespass damage, aggravated stalking, which is a felony, and cruelty to children in the third degree on or about July 23rd, 2025, in or around Spalding County, Georgia. Judge, we also have this consecutive case, 25 SR 0143, on the court's docket as well for the court to review. The same allegations are on that case. That is a 12-month case for violation of a family violence order. It was also sentenced on March 12th of 2025. Mr. Barnes was offered 2 consents for 500 days on 24 SR 0217, 230 days for the consecutive case to run consecutively, for a total of 730 days for credit for time served to resolve these violations, and they denied those.
Okay. All right. All right. Anything, Mr. Shepherd, anything else for a pivot?
Yes.
All right. Ms. Miller, the floor is yours. You're welcome to sit or stand or whatever you
Yeah, I
prefer.
was just gonna,
So,
I'll sit if you don't
no,
mind.
no preference.
Your Honor, all right, so in this case, and I know that everybody in this room is familiar with